I'm Audrey Banks, and I am a member of the class of 2014. I was really encouraged, I think, at my visit to Penn to see that the school is really making an effort, being very deliberate about growing its international programs, and also realizing that I think in some ways there's a benefit to having a smaller community of people who are very interested in public international law, in that the school is investing a lot of resources in allowing you to pursue different opportunities, but there are perhaps fewer people who are after the same pool of resources. I haven't been at a loss for opportunities or classes that I wanted to take or things that I wanted to pursue, but I've also had a lot of support from the school in pursuing the things that I was interested in. As a 1L, I think it's great that at Penn Law you can take 2 electives in your first year. So in my first spring, I took Professor Burke White's Public International Law class. And then this year I'm taking a Foreign and International Law Research Seminar and International Human Rights Law. I think it's great because even within the classes that are not strictly international law classes, you can find sometimes courses or professors who kind of put an international spin on them. So for example, my criminal law class last year, strictly doctrinal criminal law, I took with Professor Robinson, and he has a background in drafting criminal codes and advising on sentencing for a range of different countries in the international community, developing countries, post-conflict countries. And so it was really interesting to hear his perspective on that. And I'm taking his theory class right now, which takes a bit more of an abstract approach, a theoretical approach to criminal law that I think I could apply to a range of different contexts in the field later on. So that's been really surprising and very interesting as well.